If you are not interested, keep quiet. Don't use mobile. Okay. Sorry. So now one person every time I can discuss among students every semester. Now what's wrong with India's engineers? Okay. It is applicable for. It's not about your college. It is equally applicable for NIT Durgapur students also. As many as 97% of graduating engineers want job either in software or core engineering. But only 3% have suitable skills to be employed in software or product market. Only 7% can handle core engineering tasks. Another one, graduates are writing their degree despite not being seen enough to be a productive part of the Indian economy. What it means, every year almost 15 to 20 lakhs engineers they are getting every year.